Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi guys, welcome to CantoneseClass101.com's Top Words. Today we're in Hong Kong at the Big Buddha and the Big Temple, and we're going to talk about 5 words about this place. Behind you, you can see the Big Buddha, you can see the temple. So the Big Buddha is Tian Dai Phật. Tian is the name and Dai Phật means Big Buddha. Dai is big and Phật is Buddha. Tian Dai Phật. Bo Lin Zi is the name of the temple, Po Lin Temple. The temple that I just showed you is Bo Lin Zi. Bo Lin Zi is the name of the temple, Po Lin Temple. Buddha's birthday is Phật Dan. Phật is Buddha and Dan is birthday. The Buddha's birthday is a public holiday in Hong Kong. So, 今日係佛誕假期. Today is the Buddha's birthday holiday. And we are waiting for the performance. They will have Kung Fu performance and mask changing performance. So, I'm looking forward to that. 功夫表演, Kung Fu performance. 功夫 is Kung Fu and 表演 is performance or show. And the next one is 食齋. 食 is to eat, 齋 means vegetarian. So at the temple, many people will eat the vegetarian food made by the monk here. And there are many choices here. They have vegetarian and vegan. So you can take a look, and here I think the famous one is the tofu dessert. They also have some sour tofu snack. So 去寶蓮寺食齋, go to eat vegetable at the Po Lin Temple. The next word is 燒香, to burn incense. 香 means incense, 燒 to burn. So you can see all the incense, they are huge. They have big ones or small ones, depending how much you want to spend, how much luck you want. And it's smoky everywhere. So take a shower after you leave the temple. So that's it for today. Today we talk about some words about the Buddha's birthday and the Big Buddha. And I'll see you next time. My name is Olivia. 下次見.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.